Hi guys, today we're going to be making a super comforting meal, Hayashi Rice, which is a popular Western style dish in Japan. We're going to be serving this with a tornado omelette, which is really fun to make. So let's start by slicing 2 medium onions. Now I've got about 160 grams of mushrooms. I'm just going to wipe them clean with a bit of dry kitchen towel and slice them up. Then we're going to peel and finely chop 3 large cloves of garlic. I find giving them a smash with a knife before just makes them a lot easier to peel. Now for our meat, I'm using this beautiful ribeye steak, which is about 250 grams. We are going to be slicing it up really thinly, so it's important to have a very sharp knife. You can always buy the pre-cut slices as well. I'm going to be keeping aside this piece of fat so I can use it instead of oil in our pan, just to give a bit of extra beefy flavour. So heat up a large pan over a medium-high flame and add in our beef fat, or if you're using leaner meat, add in a bit of oil. After a couple of minutes, take out your beef fat and add in the onions. Let them cook for about 2 or 3 minutes until they just start going brown around the edges. Now add your beef to the pot and cook it for around 2 minutes whilst constantly stirring. Then add in your mushrooms and your garlic and cook for another couple of minutes. Then add 100 milliliters of good quality red wine and let it reduce by about half. In the meantime, feel free to pour yourself a glass too. When reduced, add in 250 milliliters of beef stock. And now let's add 1 dessert spoon of tomato puree, 3 spoons of ketchup, one spoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 to 2 spoons of honey, depending on how sweet you like your sauce. And then we're going to add 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, which gives it just a beautiful colour. And lastly, some dried oregano and freshly ground pepper. Turn it down to low, pop on a lid and let it keep cooking for about another 15 minutes. Now for our tornado omelette, I'm just keeping it super simple and whisking 2 large eggs. Now in a small bowl, add a serving of freshly steamed Japanese rice and turn it onto a plate until we are ready to serve. Over a high heat, we are going to add some oil to a non-stick pan. I'm just going to use some kitchen towel to remove the excess oil here. When the pan is really hot, we're going to add our eggs. This is what happened on my first attempt when the pan wasn't quite hot enough. After a few seconds over the heat, use chopsticks to pull the edges towards the centre of the omelette and then start to twirl. To be honest, I'm still working on perfecting this, but you know, it's still fun. Now we just have to put everything together. So top your rice with your omelette and serve with your delicious Hayashi beef. A final sprinkling of parsley, and look how beautiful she is. I've also seen tornado omelettes paired with rice, curry and other sauces. What would you have your tornado omelette with? If you did enjoy today's video, please give us a like, comment and subscribe for more weekly tasty videos. Thanks very much!